Located on 37199 South 543 Road in Eucha, Oklahoma, you can own this 0.47-acre lot for only $200 down. This can be your perfect getaway from the big city. There are no building restrictions. You can build your dream home, place a manufactured home, mobile home, or RV on the property, just minutes from Grand Lake o' the Cherokees. This well-known recreational area has great fishing, hunting, and beautiful shorelines, a great spot the whole family can enjoy. This property sits conveniently 30 minutes from J and an hour from Claremore, Oklahoma. Electricity and water are available in the area, but will require installation. A septic system is also required. There are no POA fees, and the property taxes are only $5 per year. Owner financing is available. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Delaware County, Oklahoma. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.